Good morning, students of 10th standard. Yesterday we have started second chapter of the geometry, that is Pythagoras theorem. In the previous video, I have explained about Pythagorean triplet or Pythagoras theorem, but that video was deleted from my mobile. So again, one time I will explain the introduction of Pythagoras theorem. So Pythagoras theorem, you know very well, in a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the remaining two sides. This we have learned from 7th standard. We are learning from 7th standard. In that, in a right angle triangle, ABC, suppose ABC is a right angle triangle, you know very well, the opposite side of 90 degree is called the hypotenuse, the biggest side of the triangle. Second thing, in this, next part is of Pythagorean triplet. Pythagorean triplet, for example, that is 3, 4 and 5. In this, if you see, one mark question will come in exam and they will tell about to verify whether it is a Pythagorean triplet or not. Select the biggest one, that is 5, take it square, you will get 25. Remaining two sides square, you have to find 3 square plus 4 square. So you will get 9 and 16, you will get 25. Therefore, 5 square is equal to 3 square plus 4 square. So you can write here, therefore it satisfies the condition, therefore it is a Pythagorean triplet. So this is the homework also I have told in that video. Now I am telling again homework. You have to find all the Pythagorean triplets from 1 to 100. Okay. Next is, they have given formula for Pythagorean triplet on page number 31. That is, first of all they have told that A, comma B, comma C are natural numbers, where condition they have given first number is greater than the second one, A is greater than B, then A square plus B square, comma A square minus B square, comma twice AB. If it is satisfies this, then you will get Pythagorean triplet in this. First of all, make it square. This is the hypotenuse. Then make it square, and then this square. Add this two, and whether it satisfies. If it is satisfies, then you can say it is a Pythagorean triplet. Next is 30, 60, 90 property is there. You know very well, in trigonometry we have learned in 30, 60, 90. Opposite side of 30 degree is 1 by 2 times its hypotenuse. Opposite side of 60 degree is root 3 by 2 times its hypotenuse. This in 9th standard also we have learned, one theorem was there. You have to take information from that and write the information of this property. Next is 45, 45, 90 degree. You know very well, in this triangle, if opposite side of 45 degree is there, then it is 1 by root 2 times its hypotenuse, in this way. And so this much is enough. Write the properties, write one examples on 30, 60, 90, 45, 45, 90. Okay. Now we will proceed front side. Again one information they have given, area of trapezium. This is just the application on Pythagoras theorem. So read the information one activity they have given, then you will understand. Yesterday we have seen similarity and right angle triangle, theorem of geometric mean. Next is again Pythagoras theorem. Theorem they have given on this. On page number 34 you will get, read this, write in your notebook. Solution they have given, just you have to see and you have to understand it. Okay. Next is converse of Pythagoras theorem. Just now I told about the converse. If it satisfies hypotenuse side square is equal to sum of the squares of remaining two sides, then it is called converse of Pythagoras theorem. This two homework is there to you. One is you have to write properly Pythagoras theorem with figure, and converse of Pythagoras theorem with figure, and then remember this is given to you, all based on the theorems. So this is homework for you. Next, you have plenty of time to stay in home. So what you have to do, on page number 36, some examples are given to you. that you have to write in your notebook. Total 5 examples are there, solved examples are there. This you should write in your notebook, and total 7 are there, 7. And then in the next video I will show practice set 2.1. We will start this. So this will finish tomorrow, I think so. Thank you very much. Homework I have given somewhat more, so do this homework and understand the theorems. Thank you very much.